Have you ever wondered why, for literally billions of years, life on Earth was just a bunch of single cells floating around? I mean, why didn't a giant supercell take over the world? Well, strap in, because the answer is all about limits. And oddly enough, balloons. Picture this. A cell is like a tiny water balloon filled with all sorts of life-sustaining stuff. The membrane, the outer layer, is super thin and flexible, just like the rubber of a balloon. Now try filling that balloon with water. At first it expands easily, but keep going and eventually, pop! There's a limit to how much that thin skin can hold before it just can't handle the pressure anymore. Cells face the same problem. Their membranes can only stretch so far before things get dicey. If a cell gets too big, the membrane isn't strong enough to contain all that juicy cytoplasm inside. It would just burst, spilling its contents everywhere. Not a great survival strategy. So for about 3 billion years, yeah, 3 billion, life was stuck as solo artists. Single cells, each living their best separate lives, no big complex creatures, no multicellular teams, just a microscopic party of one. But here's where evolution got clever. Instead of building a bigger balloon, life decided to tape a bunch of smaller balloons together. Cells started sticking to each other, working as a team. Imagine a bunch of water balloons tied together, not one giant balloon but a cluster. If one leaks, the others are still fine. And together, they can do things no single balloon could ever dream of. That's how multicellular life began. Cells that joined forces could share jobs. Some handled movement, others took care of food or defense. They became more efficient, more resilient, and could grow much bigger than any single cell ever could. And just like that, the door was open for all the dazzling diversity of life we see today. Mushrooms, whales, to, well, us. So, next time you fill a balloon with water, remember, you're reenacting one of evolution's greatest dilemmas. The secret to life's complexity wasn't making things bigger, but learning how to work together. And honestly, isn't that kind of beautiful?